Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to update Wi-Fi drivers Windows 11. To update Wi-Fi drivers Windows 11, you could follow these steps. So what here you need to do is, first of all, you want to go to settings. So click open the search bar, type in settings and open this up. So as you go to settings, what here you need to do is come to Windows Update at the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and click on advanced options. As you go to advanced option, then from the additional options, here you have these optional updates. Click that out and you want to click on drivers update, or just click on select an update that you want. Click on download and install if you have available. So once done with this, close the tab. At the bottom, come to the search bar once again, type in device manager and click open this up. As you go to device manager, here you have this pop-up. So I'm just going to expand this and come to the network adapters. So right click or click or double click on it, and then you have these internet connections. So right click on your internet that you're connected to, update drivers. Click on browse my computer, click on next and follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you'll be able to fix. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.